A lot of people are asking me whether the Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineering certification is still worth it. My honest answer is yes, but only if you prepare for it the right way. Because the AI job market has changed. Companies are not just looking for people who can train a model in a notebook, they want engineers who can build AI systems that actually run in production, and increasingly that means agentic AI. When I prepared for GCP machine learning engineering certification, I didn't treat it like a normal exam. I used my day-to-day work as the study material. I was building system with multiple AI agents, parser agents, matching agents, ranking agents, evaluation agents, along with that orchestration layers, human in the loop workflows, and event-driven pipelines. That forced me to learn the certification topics in a very practical way. Vertex AI was not just a service name for me. MLOps was not just a chapter. PubSub, Cloud Run, BigQuery ML, model monitoring, pipelines, feature stores, responsible AI. All of these became real engineering decisions. Should this run synchronously or asynchronously? How do we track model versions? How do we evaluate an LLM generated answer? How do we handle user privacy? And how do we monitor drift? How do we make sure an agent decision is explainable and auditable? That is where the certification started making sense. The next wave of AI ML engineering roles will reward people who can connect three worlds. First, classical machine learning, the basic skill matter. Second, cloud and MLOps, because models need pipelines, deployment, monitoring, and governance. Third, agentic AI, because businesses are moving from one model gives one answer to system where multiple agents collaborate, call tools, reason over context, and take action safely. This is where Google Cloud is becoming important. You have Vertex AI, Gemini, Agent Development Kit, Model Garden, BigQuery ML, Cloud Run, PubSub, Dataflow, along with a host of monitoring tools. But passing the certification is not about memorizing all of them. It is about knowing when to use what. That judgment is what hiring teams care about. So if you are preparing for Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification or trying to move into AI engineering, MLOps, GenAI engineering, and agentic AI roles, I can help you think through the path, not random resources, not 10 disconnected courses, a very practical path, how to prepare, what to build, which Google Cloud services actually matter, how to connect certification prep with real project work, how to talk about your work in interviews, and how to move from I know AI ML to I can build production AI systems. I'll be sharing more on Google Cloud ML engineering, Vertex AI, along with that agentic AI and real world AI system design. Follow along, and if you're preparing for the certification, comment GCP ML and I'll share the roadmap. Thank you.